How to Clean and Condition Leather by Howard Products. With our leather products, you can take any old worn-out leather and make it look and feel like new. Just like any piece of furniture in your home, leather should be taken care of to keep it looking its best. Howard Products Leather Cleaner and Conditioner can be used on smooth leather surfaces, including leather furniture, automotive leather, luggage, shoes, and accessories. Applying leather cleaner. First, test leather cleaner in an inconspicuous spot. Spray cleaner onto problem area. Then rub the leather clean with a soft cloth. Howard Leather Cleaner contains mild soaps and surfactants that safely and effectively clean smooth leather. Howard Leather Cleaner gently removes dirt, grime, and most other stains from smooth leather. It is ideal for cleaning and preparing leather surfaces before conditioning. Apply leather conditioner after cleaning. Test leather conditioner in an inconspicuous spot. Then apply leather conditioner with a soft cloth, massaging into the leather. Leather conditioner is a creamy lotion-like conditioner that penetrates, preserves, and protects smooth leather. This unique blend of deep nourishing emollients and natural waxes revives dried out leather back to its soft, natural condition without becoming oily or sticky. This couch has not been conditioned in years, so it's very dry. We are generously applying leather conditioner. As you can see, the dry leather soaks it right up. Leather conditioner helps leather resist cracking, scuffing, and dry rot. It conditions with lanolin, neatsfoot oil, coconut oil, and aloe vera. It protects with carnauba wax and beeswax, and contains no harmful solvents or silicones. Before, the couch was dried out and starting to crack. After using leather conditioner, the leather is revived back to its soft, natural condition. Allow leather conditioner to penetrate for at least 5 minutes before buffing with a clean, soft cloth. Use leather conditioner whenever the leather looks or feels dry, or after cleaning with leather cleaner. For more information, visit our website at howardproducts.com.